Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Skyscanner account? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for Skyscanner. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the login button on the top right. And as you can see, it says continue with email, Google, Facebook, and Apple. You can simply go ahead and enter your account. Even if you're new here, they'll create an account for you. If you have an account, just continue to log in. That is about it. Just enter your email, click on continue. They'll ask you to go ahead and verify that email by sending a code to that email. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and create a password and your account will be ready. So let me just go ahead and do that process real quick. As you can see, it's trying to verify it is me. So I'm just going to go ahead and verify it's me right over there. And once you do that, it's just going to go ahead and create the account for you. So let's just wait a little bit.